Hello, my name is Mark Iles. I'm here to introduce you to our Level 3 training course, Engaging Your Prophetic Calling. The School for Prophecy Level 3 training course, Engaging Your Prophetic Calling, will help you enter fully into the lifestyle of a prophet or prophetess, equip you to build the church, and help you develop a strategic approach to your prophetic environment and its challenges. The Level 3 training course will push the boundaries of your personal growth, develop a newer church building ministry, and lay the foundations for long-term survival and success in challenging environments. The Engaging Your Prophetic Calling course is designed for those who are already experienced and recognized as moving in the prophetic ministry, or who have completed the previous course, Growing in Prophetic Ministry, or equivalent training, and to embrace the call of God on their life. It provides frank, targeted, and knowledgeable teaching on all aspects of the biblical prophetic office, a comfortable and safe environment where you can practice, and experienced advice on hand to help you grow in your calling. The project workshops, together with the teaching, are an essential part of the course and provide the necessary learning environment and relevant practice to turn the teaching into an ongoing experience. The next screen is going to give you details of the actual teaching sessions within the course. The course is made up of 3 topics, each containing 3 teaching sessions. The topics are prophetic identity, prophetic culture, and prophetic leadership. Prophetic identity includes employing emotional intelligence, embracing a prophetic character, and engaging godly assertiveness. And each teaching session comes along with an identity project workshop to support it. The prophetic culture topic contains 3 teaching sessions: managing the prophetic environment, mentoring the prophetic person, and maturing the prophetic contribution. And each of those has 3 culture project workshops. And finally, the advanced leadership topic has 3 subjects, including the biblical role of a prophet, building a prophetic team, and leadership, authority, and responsibility. And each of those teaching sessions comes with 3 leadership project workshops. Every meeting will include a teaching session with an on-screen presentation, student-style notes, a 1-hour project workshop, discussion opportunities, demonstration prophetic ministry, and the all-important questions and answer times. Unfortunately, the training manual is not yet available, unlike the previous 2 courses, but audio and video recordings of all the teaching sessions are available on the school website. If you would like us to consider running a course near you, please use the school website contact form. Thank you very much.